Hi, thanks, Neha. Thanks for this intro introduction speech. I hope you all can see my screen. So this is kind of an overview session where we'll talk about what is the PMP certification, what other options you have, and I think AI is the new buzzword. So we also talk about a little bit more about a project management around AI and what services, what benefits you would get when you join this training through us. Okay. I hope you all can see my screen. So let's just dive into it. And please, just one quick heads up. It's like if you have any questions, just share it through the chat box, or you can just raise your hand if you have any questions. We'll have a Q&A towards the end. Maybe just wait until that once we do the Q&A. All right. So why do we? Who can do this PMP certification, and why is it required? So typically, PMP certification is available from PMI, and we will talk about that in the next session. PMP certification is mainly for existing project managers. Okay, it's anyone who is working on a project. So it can be an analyst, can be a developer, can be a team lead, a tech lead, someone who has a real life experience working on projects. It is also applicable to existing project managers or program managers or technical managers for sales and business development managers or entrepreneurs. So it is not specific to any domain or any industry practice. It is open to all. Doing PMP certification gives you an advantage, it gives you a benefit where you can learn these techniques, these strategies which are industry specific, industry known, which are globally accredited, and then you can use those practices in your real life corporate projects. Okay. Now, eligibility for this PMP certification is where you need at least 4-year degree and 36 months of experience leading projects or working on projects, and a 35 contact hour project management education training. Okay, so we'll talk about that. But this is a training which is kind of done by our institute, where you spend 35 hours learning these different concepts and different terminologies, which will make you a better project manager. Okay, if you don't have a 4-year degree, you can still have a diploma, like 5-year diploma, plus this 35 contact hours of project management education training, and then you can offer PMP certification. So even sales, marketing, and HR professional also qualify this project management professional certificate experience. Okay, the journey is like the how you apply for project management professional certification is like you need to create a PMP account. You need to fill an application. It may get picked up for audit, but there's nothing to worry about. They will just verify some key information from your application. Once it goes through, you just pay the fee, schedule an exam, and then apply for the exam. Okay, this is typically like that. Just a bit about me as an instructor. So I've been doing this for quite a bit time. I come from IT background. I am certified in PMP, PMI, ACP, Safe certified, Advanced Scrum Master certified, and I'm doing a GenAI certification now. I come from electronics engineering background. I've also done an executive MBA from SIPM. I have 20 years of experience, like I said, from IT background. I work with different other domains like banking, insurance, telecom, manufacturing, and automotive, all Fortune 500 companies. And I work with big companies like Capgemini, KPIT, A-Class, and Michelin. Now, what little bit about PMI, the organization that is carrying this PMP certification. So PMI is like a global project management body or an organization that is setting the standards, these frameworks, which are used globally by project managers or alike. So it's a non-profit organization. They develop the standards and certifications, and they also do research and publications and different other programs. They have chapters. Chapters is nothing but like a local chapter where you can talk to these experts from PMI, you can do learning, do networking, like similar project management background people, and you can do professional development through these chapters. So they have different other certifications provided by them. If you're a member, then it will be free of cost, and through colleges as well. So PMP certification is an exam. It's like a certification exam where you have to go through this training for 35 hours, understand these concepts, learn these concepts, and then, if possible, apply these concepts in your real life. And this exam will validate your understanding, your knowledge. It's like 180 questions for our exam, multiple choice questions. It's, I'm sorry, can someone call mute, please? Okay. So if you, this is a typical exam, nothing to worry about the exam. So we will train you, we'll give you the strategy. We'll also have mock exams, so you'll be feel confident to appear for the exam. And it is PMP certification is recognized worldwide. You can go to any country, like US, India, Middle East, or Asia. They recognize PMP value, and if you are a PMP certified, you will definitely see some growth in your career. Okay. So just quickly talk about the what do you see in terms of salary growth, in terms of career growth when you have a PMP certification. So here you can see there is 33% increase. This is done by these statistics are given by PMI, and they have done a survey back in 2024. So you can see there is 33% of increase that you would see if you are PMP certified in your salary growth. Okay. I have personally done certification and I have seen 50% of salary growth when I did certification. So before PMP, I mean, I was working on as a project manager, but after PMP, I was very clear with the concepts, and when I showed that to my organization, they were also kind of impressed. And then even if you switch your job, they will offer you minimum 30 to 40% of salary. So it is that valuable in the market. Okay. There are globally 1.2 million people who are PMP certified, and it is number one certification sought after by all the project manager or product manager worldwide. You can see if you are an analyst, the typical salary range that is for analysts is around 6 to 10 LPA lakhs per annum, and as you move on, and this can change, if you talk about specific industry. This is just to give you an idea of a salary bracket that you would see. So if you are a PMP holder, you will definitely see, salary growth around 25 to 30 lakhs. But as you move on, from manager to program manager, which is like a higher level in corporate world, there you will see a growth of 35 to 40 lakhs. And as you go on, like the next level after program manager would be portfolio manager or a director, that is around 50 LPA. So PMP certification will give you that boost in your salary growth, starting from analyst role to project manager role to program manager role. And like I said, this is not this is not applied to any specific industry. So if you're from IT background or construction background or healthcare background or finance background, anyone can apply for the certification. Okay. And again, just to reiterate, like I said, the salary growth that you would see after doing PMP certification will be around 33 to 35%. Okay. Just to little bit talk about more on the PMP certification exam. Like I said, it is done by PMI. There are 180 questions, 230 minutes of the overall duration of the exam. There are two breaks given of 10 minutes. The domains or the categories that you are tested or evaluated will be around people, process, and businesses. There is training needed. So it's not like you just read the books, go through the tutorials, attend these free trainings, and then you can apply for PMP exam. It's not like that. You need to have this mandatory training, which is done by like our institute, and you need to provide that certificate of 35 contact hours PDUs, and then you can apply for the PMP exam. Okay, like I said, it's valid in most of the countries, 200 plus countries globally. It needs to be renewed once you are PMP certified. You need to earn 60 PDUs, and that PMP certification is valid for 3 years. You just have to add in the 60 PDUs and then renew it for next 3 years. And we'll also help you to do that. So I was certified in 2020, and I kept renewing. So how to get renewal, how to get PDUs? So we'll help you with that. Getting PMP certification itself is a great achievement, and you will see the value, once you're PMP certified in your career growth and also in your salaries. Okay. So just to reiterate again, salary boost we already discussed, career acceleration. If you want to become a program manager, say you are a project manager, so you are a project manager now, but you want to become a program manager. If you are PMP certified, it will be an easy switch, either in the same organization or in other organization. Similarly, if you want to go for a portfolio manager or any C-suite level of executive role, PMP certification will give you an added advantage. If you are not a PMP certified, doesn't mean that you cannot go for program manager. You can still go for program manager, but it will take time. Getting PMP certified will give you that boost or that accelerated growth quickly. And it is trusted by many big companies like TCS, Infosys, Wipro, Accenture, and many Fortune 500 companies. Okay, this is how the certification will look like. This is just to give you an idea how the certification looks like. I'm sorry, there's a background noise. Okay, so I'm expecting whoever is aspirant for PMP certification, they should get this kind of a certificate. And believe me, it helps in your career growth and your professional growth.
I'm okay.
So there are different type of certification given by PMI. So you have PMP certification is a prerequisite. So if you want to go for a program management certificate or a portfolio management certificate, PMP is required. So it's a kind of a first step before you move on to the next level of career growth. There is also another certification called Certified Associate Project Management, which is CAPM, and there you don't need any experience specifically, and you can easily go for that. But that also overlaps with what you learn for a PMP exam. Okay. Now there is another certification available around AI topics. So if you go for AI, there are different other courses that you would do online, which may not be relevant with project management. But if you do project management aligned with your AI knowledge, that can be used in a different way in the market. So you know that everyone is kind of talking about AI and using AI tools in project management. Here, the end goal for you, if you are looking for a career growth or a switch in your role, you can go for project manager role along with AI certification. Okay, so PMP offers this PMI CPMI training. Here, you're not only studying about project management concepts, but that is in line with the AI concepts. Okay. PMI CPMI training is also given by PMI organization, and this will help you even more along with PMP. Okay. Here you will also learn about Agile. So Agile, I think you already know, it's very popular, it's very famous, and these credentials like a certified AI project manager will be also accredited globally, and it will help you to become like a lead AI transformation manager, and the salary growth here will be even more. Okay. And how does the PMP certification journey looks like? So first step is to have this free consultation where you would get to know what certification is, what if you're eligible for it, what is your goal, personal goal, and how we can help you to get certified. The second step is to go through the certification training. Like we talked about, you need to have a 35 contact hour of training from an expert, and you will learn these PMP concepts, these terminologies, these different templates and standards given by PMI around project management. You can also look at the real life examples through the training, apply those trainings in your projects. After the PMP certification, after this PMP training is done for 35 hours, you will go for some practice test, some mock test, and then your own self learning and study. We will provide you books. We will provide you all the materials to go through them once you sign up. and then you spend at least 45 to 60 days to uh, study and do mock exams. So there will be, 3+ mock exams, free mock exams provided by us. The idea here is that if you score at least 70 to 80% in those mock exams, that means you are ready for the final exam. Then you can book for your final exams. You can become a PMI member. For PMI member, the fee will be a little discounted. After you book your exam, you schedule your exam, then you apply for the exam, and then you will become PMP certified. So why to choose Neoskills for your PMP journey? Okay, so we're authorized training partner, like we said. We have expert trainers. We have will also provide you this 35 PDU completion certificate after the training is done. There's exam application assistance. So we'll assist you for how to submit your application, if it goes through audit, what steps to take, and we will also give you materials through our platforms, through different PIM box, Rita Mulkya book, and all the different materials that will help you to practice and study for PMP exam. And we also have 24/7 support for you guys. We have a WhatsApp group that will be created, and we can interact through the group. We can call the instructor, and we'll help you to get through this exam in the first attempt. These are certain testimonials. We have many other students that they have given us ratings. They have had a very good experience working with us for PMP certification. We have had many of our students attempting the exam and they clearing it in the first attempt. So now you guys are ready to become a certified professional. So we have the next batch starting on 18th of April. If you're ready to change your career, boost your salary, and find a certification that will help you with what is happening in the market around project management standards and procedures given by PMI, so enroll it today.